I'm Magic C, and today's your lucky day. Watch me turn a C into an A. Okay, friends, today we're going to start with our Magic C letters. With your Magic C, you always start the letter with a C. Then you can turn it into other letters from there. So, for a lowercase a, you write a Magic C. Then you go up like a helicopter, bump that top line, back down and bump. Always important to bump those lines. So let's just practice our A first. So down, lift your pencil, come down and cross. Start at the top, come down, bump the line, down, bump the line, and cross. Then for your lowercase a, let's check it first. Down, bump, cross. You know what? I think it needs to be a little wider. Notice Mrs. Valor made a mistake, so I erase and I try to make it look better. This is your time to really make that handwriting look nice. That's better. Now I can check it. Okay, for our lowercase a, you start at the top, make that Magic C, bump the line. Now go up like a helicopter, back down and bump. Magic C, up like a helicopter, back down and bump. Magic C, up like a helicopter, bump, back down and bump. And that looks like a good A. Now you're going to copy all these words. One time here and one time here. So we're writing the word act, up like a helicopter, bump, Magic C, and then that T we practiced yesterday, coming down and cross. Was, stay in those lines and just bump, bump, bump. Magic C, up like a helicopter, down and bump. S stays inside the lines as well. And coast. Magic C. O is a Magic C, and keep coming around. A is a Magic C, up like a helicopter, bump, down and bump. S stays in the lines. T starts at the top, comes down, lift and cross. All right, you have one more set over here to do. And then at the bottom it says check your coast. When you wrote coast, did it look exactly like the book? If it did, you put a check mark there.